हा येलो कॅम्प पडला मला
वैतान काढ शिनी मराठी
रिस्पॉन्स कारण लोक आमचे 2 दीस तांच्यांनी ह्या हातून पंचायत युनियन गाडी भोंवडायची येणार सोडली आणि एक बऱ्या तरेचे वातावरण निर्माण केलं आणि मोठ्या प्रमाणात लोक जात असतात बरेच लोक
कितले जाण जाला म्हणले
218 218
218
कामगारांना म्हाका दिसता 400 लागी येतले अशें दिसता इतलो रिस्पॉन्स
थँक्यू घेतली घेतला मरे तुका
तुझा पहिले भाव ना 2 मिनिट
चल ते घेतली चल रे बस रे कृष्णा चल रे मातसो असो यो आमकां काय काडून तू फुडें काढूंकच दिना मरे आमकां काढलो for this stick also.
Got a very good response. We got a very good response in Saligaon. We've crossed 200 as of now, and we are hoping for more. So the thing is, people are showing that they are interested in taking this vaccination. And
This will be just one time or it will?
no, we are planning to have the second dose facility over here only. We have already spoken to doctor. He's asked us to make a letter to the CM, and we will be doing that shortly.
Okay. Thank you.